Hey guys, so check out this new electric grill brush that I got. So this thing is completely wireless. You're going to charge it up with the included USB cable. It's going to hold a charge for a really long time. So this actually also has a little light on it. So if you're cleaning up later in the evening after it's already gotten dark, it's going to make cleanup a whole lot easier because you'll be able to see what you're doing. So this right here, to clean this thing, super easy. You're just going to twist this off. That off. That's going to come off. You're going to slide the brush out, use some degreaser and clean it, and then pop it back on there. So super easy to clean. It has this little rolling edge, so when you're going along, it kind of keeps it level. So we're going to turn it on right here. You can see that right there. You can see it going in there pretty good. It also comes with a set of gloves, which I thought was a nice added bonus. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice grill brush that's not going to have to be plugged into the wall while you're using it, I would definitely check this one out.